So how to add your Wizz Air boarding pass to your wallet. So to go ahead and add your Wizz Air boarding pass to your phone's wallet, such as Apple Wallet, it's very simple. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Wizz Air app. Make sure you're signed into your account. And once you're signed in, you should come across a dashboard which looks like this. And right where the arrow is pointing on screen, you should see your upcoming flight details. So as you can see in our example, we've got a flight from London Luton to Budapest. So to go ahead and add it to your phone's wallet, you simply just want to go ahead and select here. Then once you've done that, it'll open you up to this page here. And you simply want to select Show Available Boarding Passes. Then from there, it will then show you your boarding pass. And if your booking has multiple boarding passes, you can also scroll to the right to view multiple boarding passes on your booking. So to go ahead and add your boarding pass to your phone's wallet, you simply want to select More right at the top here. Then once you've selected More, select Wallet. Then once you've selected Wallet, it'll open up your boarding pass, and to go ahead and add it to your Apple Wallet, you just want to select Add right at the top. And there you have it, and your boarding pass has successfully been saved to your phone's wallet. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.